Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome. My name is Bilal Khan, coming at you from Space City, aka Houston, in today's video of Where's Waldo? It's Arabic letter edition, where we are looking for specific letters in each video. In this video, we're talking about a case of missing identity. In the previous video, we covered this letter, which is Ha, aka hot. And it's an empty jug. And so when it's really hot outside, you want to drink some water, or you ate something really hot and spicy, and you got, or you find yourself a cold beverage, open up that can, glug, 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 or now the case of mistaken identity is people with the name Ahmed. My middle name is Ahmed. Um, Sometimes people will, instead of saying Ahmed, they'll say Ahmed. And the fact is, that's the next letter over. That's Ahmed. Although Ahmed is not an actual name. But that's the letter, it would have to have a dot on top of the letter in order for it to be right? So the way that you can kind of think about this is that you ate popcorn and the popcorn wasn't fully popped and a piece of that kernel got stuck in the back of your throat and you're just like, or you're out in jiu-jitsu and somebody's got a real tight choke on you and you're just refusing to tap, and so you're making noises like, right? Close to that. That's the letter we're looking for. The question now is, what does it look like in the beginning? Right? We know it looks like that. In the middle, it's gonna look like that. And in the end, it's gonna look like that. So the question though is, what is the distinguishing characteristic of this character? It's the fact that it's got a dot on the top. So that's what we're gonna look for. Let's get started. Let's just simply scan for the dot on the top until, oh, there's a dot on the top. Is that the letter? No, this one, it looks like that. That don't look like that, so therefore that can't be it. Let's keep going. That's not our bounty. Keep going. Any more? We got 3 dots on top. That's not it. Oh, there's a dot on the top. What does this look like? Well, this one here is got a dot on the top, but there's a loop-de-loop. That don't look like any loop-de-loop. Next one over. And any more dot on the top? Oh, we've got a dot on the top here, but that's looking like that. No, it's not even similar. It's just like a hill. So let's, we might have to come back to this at high noon and figure out what that letter was at another time, pun intended. Keep going. Any more dots on the top? We've got several. We've got a double dot. Oh, we've got this one that's got a dot on the top. There's a lot of letters here that's got a dot on the top. Yeah, that one's got a filled in gap. This one not got no filling here. So let's keep going. That's not it. There's a lot. This one's got a loop-de-loop. We talked about that one before, but this one, that's not it. Oh, this one, well, that one's similar, right? This one's got this. Nah, see, this one's round. This one's fat. Looks like it ate too much. This one looks lean and sharp. So let's keep going. Any more? Oh, they got a dot on the top, but that don't look like it. Any more dot on the top with oh, man, this is an elusive looking letter. Is there a letter with a dot on top? No. Let's keep going. Oh, we've got here a dot on the top, but that is not looking anything like what we had discussed before. So that's not it. Let's keep going. We've got another one with a dot on top. This one is like that, but that don't look like any of our profiles that we identified before. Guys, I think we're gonna have a letter here that folks might confuse with other letters quite often, but that's okay. Here we go. Akhraja. Don't worry about knowing how to read it. If you don't know how to read it, that's okay. All we know is that we found one with the letter that has a dot on the top, and it looks like this one right here. And so what else? We got one instance of it. Let's keep going. Any more dots on the top? Any more dots on the top? Do you notice any dots on the top that look like the kernel stuck in the throat or the refusal to tap out in a choke? Nope, that's it, guys. We found literally just one instance of the character that has a mistaken identity in the case of Ahmed. If you have friends of a lighter complexion, they tend to go Ahmed, and you can always let them know, no, that's a different letter. Just open up the can of soda, glug, 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 Ahmed. Whereas this one here is more of a, I got stuck in my throat. And so that's what that is. And in fact, one of the things to identify this with, and it is taught, that it is one of the several throat letters. And that's why it goes. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. What are some words or names that people use this letter mistakenly? Let me know in the comments below. I will see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.